The most dangerous thing in the language field is that in the UN study, it is disclosed recently states that one of the dangerous trends in the education field is that the local languages, mother tongue, is disappearing from various parts of the world. But UN study on the subject, they are very much worried about it, because the study shows that if we study, students study science subjects, engineering subjects, medical subjects, if it is through local language, that will be more digestible to the students, and so many examples also given in that report. 350A, an amendment is introduced, and through that amendment, you see, all the children in this land are concerned that children are studying in mother tongue is declared as a fundamental right of the children up to the age of 14.